Morning. Give me 1 second. All right. Let's go ahead and open up YouTube. Morning, what's up, guys? How are you guys doing today? All right, let's get some trades. All right. Let's make this a little bit higher. All right. Got GJ really quick. Ooh, it is. Okay. So, looking at the 1 hour, we have our 1 hour range. Okay. From here to here. Okay. You have your no trade range. Not gonna trade this. You have your second resistance. You have your 30-minute. Let's do this actually. Yeah, no. Let's stick with this. This range is about 36 pips. Okay. So cold. Good morning, guys. What's up? How's everyone doing? You guys ready for some trades? Man, just went on Trader J right now. I don't know what he's doing. Okay. Looking at the 4 hour, right? So, we just retested this. Glad I didn't trade London for a change. Yeah, man. You know, I was thinking about trading London yesterday, but I was like, you know what? Nah, I'd rather not. You know? Ooh. So right over here, my man Dr. Dollar keeps convincing, and I'm like, maybe I should, but I end up not usually. Okay, so this is the range that we're targeting. Right over here you have your resistance, clean range down, support, watch out area right around here. Oh man, it is cold. Okay, let's do that. Yeah, this looks about right. Let's look on our 30-minute. Make sure that this is valid. Yeah, that looks pretty correct. Yeah, looks good. Looking good. Sorry guys, I'm shaking like crazy because it's so cold. Yeah, I'm looking for a sell on gold. because with all that selling pressure yesterday, I think that we're gonna be setting up for NFP. So yeah, so for NFP on, let's go to my calendar. So 30th NFP on the 2nd. I think we're gonna be going all the way back up to around here. You know, mark my words. No, I'm just playing. Don't mark my words. But you know, I'm gonna have buy stops around here, just so that I catch this move late. I'd rather catch an NFP move late because, you know, if NFP really does hit, you know, it usually hits for a long time. So I might as well set my buy stops like somewhere like far away. But mainly looking at GJ right now to fill this range. In about 20 minutes, we'll see what GJ wants to do. Alright, Trader J, man. Alright. How was yesterday, guys? How are you guys doing after the stream? You guys got anything new to tell me? Alright. Joseph, let me in, boy. Anything new, anything exciting at all happen? There you go. Boom. Wonder what the 13 is doing. Yeah, we're looking good for buys. Yeah, we're looking really good for buys. Just waiting on this 1 hour candle and 30-minute candle.
Are you looking at GJ?
Yeah.
I took the buys already.
I have 2 people that are joining the Zoom.
Is that dude from?
One is the student, and the other one is the one that I remember when he gave me his live account to trade. My buddy from Xbox.
Oh, gotcha. Okay.
Yeah.
Cause I wasn't trying to let that dude in here. I was like, nah, fuck that. He can go on the YouTube side.
Bought a 50k FTMO last week. Started off bad. Now I'm around break even. Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah. Sounds good. You know, hell yeah. You know, just manage your risk. Make sure you do everything right. Okay. Looking at 1% on my trade. So this is what I'm looking at, Trader J. Mr. J. So we have all this buying pressure. If you look at the 1 hour, taps your 13 EMA.
Yep.
I think my range has to be a little bit shorter around here, because right over here, I think these are fake outs, right? So so we're actually already creating creating support above resistance. Okay.
Yep.
If this candle closes bullish, the chances of the next candle closing bullish are very high.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
I took the buys once the 30-minute broke the doji candle, the bearish candle on the upside, right by the resistance.
Oh yeah, you already entered?
Yeah, I got one position. I'm gonna see how this 30-minute closes, and then if anything, scale it another one. Because we're gonna go up to the top side of the range, retest that zone to see. So.
All right, then I'm already in. Okay, 153, 184. It's gonna be right here. Stop loss below previous candle. 153.16. You keeping an eye on chat?
Yeah, I saw somebody asked, how do you know you are taking 1% risk or using a system for that? Yeah, magic keys.
153.184. Stop loss 0.16. Oof.
Yeah, I expect if this candle closes like this, the 1 hour, I expect the retest of the highs potential break. If we don't, I'm gonna secure it right at the top of the 1 hour high if it doesn't break.
Yeah.
But gold is, I'm watching gold right now. Gold wants to fucking go lower.
Gold wants to go lower.
Like if you look at it on all time frames, it's just once it breaks that new 1 hour higher low, it's done.
It has to fall into this range for oops. Never mind. I was looking at the 30 for some reason. Right over here and right here. Ooh, look at what GJ's doing to us.
I know, I'm noticing. I'm like, if it breaks this fucking candle low, I'm fucking.
If I go 5 pips below, I'm gonna go ahead and close out my position and then re-enter later.
If it breaks. Let's see.
Yeah. Closed half right now. Go any lower. Yeah, I closed full. I'll go ahead, enter later. -6 pips right now. Wonder if I could put that on the stream somehow. So -6 pips right now. I'm gonna enter in that trade a bit later.
Yeah, I just took some. I took it. I closed mine too. It's just rejecting right now.
Okay. Alright. I'll enter once this 30-minute stays above or closes. And then I'll hop back in this trade.
Yeah.
Even though it looks really good, just don't want
to
risk it. Oh yeah, look, it's retesting on the 1 hour.
30. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
So I'm gonna wait for this 30-minute to close and then take another position at the open of the next one.
Yeah, I'm gauging the 1 hour right now. I would say the range was the original box you drew a little higher. So the reason why it's not the box that I drew a little higher is because from right here is the resistance, right here is the support, here's the clean range. Right over here we try to break out of this range, we faked out, created created resistance within the range all the way back down to fill the range. That's why the range doesn't start from here. Okay. So yeah, that would be a reason why. So I hop back in this trade since I seen how the 1 hour was setting up. 153, 145. I'm I'm already 4 pips up. I'll add another position if we, whatchamacallit, stop loss 152.961. Okay, now we just wait. Let's look at gold while this trade is happening.
Well, this looking good.
Yeah, looking to the left, right? You have your range right over here, starting from here, ending around here, I would say. Yeah, ending around here. Let's change that. Right here. Okay. Let's put our watch out area right over here. Okay. Okay, gauging the 1 hour on gold. Doesn't look like we're into the range just yet, but we'll get there. In about 10 minutes, I would say the range is okay. Man, my sleep schedule has been a-okay lately, dude. You know, I went to bed at 7:30 yesterday. Make sure I set up, you know.
Make sure you wake up for the morning sesh.
It's just a bit cold.
Yeah, I'm lucky you, bro. It's hot as fuck over here.
Yeah, it's really cold. Okay, waiting for gold to fall within this range. If not, if we close into this range, I'm looking for support to be created, right? So you have your resistance right over here, right? You have your support right over here. We close back into the range. Probably gonna be looking for a support to be created within the range, and then I'll probably hop in to a gold buy to fill. Oh wait, no, I'm not gonna trade this range. I'm not gonna trade the range. It's against my rules. I'll probably gauge another range, not this one. Damn, how's this zipper gonna get stuck on me? Okay, looking at GJ. I already know GJ is probably gonna create a support, break its wick, come back up, hopefully to retest this area. That is what we are hoping.
Yeah, and since the new 30-minute hasn't even made a bottom wick, you know there isn't that many sellers in the market.
Yeah.
We're just waiting for that nice push.
Yeah, pretty nice setup. Can you review my gold loss at Asian session? Ooh, trading gold at Asian session?
Not smart.
Yeah, let's not do that again, huh? So, the reason why you don't trade gold at Asian sessions, because think of gold like a stock, right? So you're supposed to be trading gold around New York session, right? Around the time that, like, you know, people trade like US 30, you know, like other little stocks and stuff. You don't want to do that. So, took an impulse entry after the break of the previous 15-minute candle and break of minor resistance, close 70% when price started to come down and break its own low at -4 pips. When price again started to move upwards, place stop loss at low of the same 15-minute candle. Stop loss hit the next candle, was formed at stop loss at previous 15-minute candle low around 11 pips. Okay, so cool. This is why you lost your trade. So for one, if you enter on the 15-minute, you're obviously gonna have to look for a break and retest, right? You're in a range from this point to this point. So what you really need is a retest first. There was no confirmations right over here for you to take a buy just yet. The range starts from this point to this point. You broke into the range, you kept going into the range, but you need to wait for a retest candle. This was going to be the retest candle, but instead the retest candle decided to shoot down because it was invalid and it was a fake out. So it trapped you and you got stuck with all the other guys, which was unfortunate for you, and I'm sorry for that trade. Anyone else have any charts? Rejecting the 100 EMA, I would. So right now we're about 19 pips or 1 pip, just waiting on this candle to close, and then I'll open up another position, and then that's 2% risk for the day. After that 2% of it is risked, if we lose this trade, I'm done for the day, and then I'll just call out trades with you guys. Actually, how much is this? So this is 20 pips. I'll go ahead and enter right there. Watch out area right over here. This is what, yeah, 14 pips. I can handle that. Alright guys, I'm ready. I am ready. Waiting for us to break into this range first. 30-minute already created a support right over here in this range. It may fill it and then come all the way up. So let's gauge the 5 really quick. Let's see what the 5 is doing. So alright, so we created support in this little range right over here. So this is about 45 pips. What should I do right here? Nope, let's not do anything. How about that? So the range is from here to right here. You have 2 fake outs. No trade. We're waiting. We're not gonna do that to ourselves. About 3 more minutes left to see what this candle wants to do. Stop loss is at 152.961. Entry is at 153.145. Take profit is at 153.541. Okay. Fell into this range, came up, most likely gonna close into this range. Okay, let's do this. Did you let that this guy in? This is the student from like Nigeria or something.
Yeah, where is he?
I don't know.
Doesn't say anything. Like no participant. It's just me and you right here. See on the YouTube side?
Oh, never mind then. No. You're supposed to join. Okay, 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour just created resistance above never mind. It's gonna create support. I meant not resistance, creating support. 30 more seconds left of this candle. How do you guys feel about no bottom wick on the 30? We're gauging the 1 hour, so 30-minute doesn't matter to us right now.
Mm-hmm.
It's funny whenever I take a trade and then someone won't take a trade because of the no bottom wick on, like, say like gold, there's no bottom wick on the 5-minute.
Yeah.
They're like, no bottom wick on the 5-minute, not taking the trade. I'm like, bro, but we're gauging a different time frame.
Yeah.
Gauging a way different time frame right now. So if we make a bottom, see now we didn't make a top wick, right? So now we're anticipating the top wick to be formed, okay? And then once the top wick is formed, we anticipate it to head all the way back up.
Yeah.
That's when you start to look at no bottom wick. I mean, no wick, right? You wait for the flip of something.
Yeah, GJ wants to push, bro. It's pretty bullish. It closed bullish on the 1 hour. I mean, small body bullish.
Very bullish.
Yeah. Oh shit, cool. Looks like it's gonna start running now. Let's see.
Might take a little bit. We already entered in a new range right over here to the left. If you see on the 30, closed within a range. Probably doing like a little liquidity grab right now. But yeah, we closed within this range to head up to the top of it. Looking at the 1 hour, yeah, we need to touch right here before we head up. Okay, let's look at gold while this trade sits. You know, price action isn't looking too great on gold right now. I think I might not trade it today. It might wait for what's that called? I wait for NFP. I don't know if gold's gonna give us any opportunities at all.
Today NFP?
No, on Tuesday. Oh, not Tuesday.
Thursday?
Friday. No, this Friday.
Oh, Friday. Okay.
What I'm gonna do, since gold likes to shoot up hella far, I'm gonna have buy stops all the way out of its area, right? So if it does go up, it clears this whole range right over here, which is about 272 pips. So even if it were to wick down, I wouldn't even get caught in it. I'll get caught in the late move. I'd rather get caught in a late move rather than the earliest move possible. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I don't want to catch it in the beginning. I'd rather catch it late.
Catch it coming down. Yeah.
GJ's doing a little dancey dance.
Yeah.
You know, this is why I hate trading, GJ. Like,
Why? Because you have to wait?
yeah, because I have to wait. Like, holy shit.
Yeah. But as you can see, it hasn't broken the low on the 30 minutes, so still pretty good. I think it's just grabbing, like you said, some liquidity to give us that nice shot up.
Yeah. Because it needs to retest this resistance right over here, and anyways, so
Yeah.
right over here on the 1 hour. The godly Sasha FX dogtail setup? Question mark. I don't like this resistance. Even on the 4 hour, it's strong.
There she goes.
Yeah.
Up 6 pips.
Yeah, I'm up around 6. Yeah. But if we do break it, you'll see a good push. Yeah, that's true, man. That's true. You are right. You know, because in general, we're pretty bearish. Let's see if this uptrend is still valid. Oh, no, yeah, it's still valid. So, failed to create a lower low at the 61.8. Broke the previous higher low. So what you're expecting is that price will make a new high. But I think that we might have to create a new higher low. Oh no, this might be our higher low right here. Failed to create a new low right here too. So yeah, that's maybe what we're looking at right now. Because right now we're at the 61.8. You know, if we're looking for a trade, the trade would have to happen all the way down here if we're looking for sells. So sell bias right now is completely shot away. Okay.
Yeah.
Even if we have to wait for this 1 hour candle to fucking create a support above, either way, you know, you're really at the 61.8. So the only way for this trade to be invalid is if we pass the 61.8, because right now we're going with the trend, not against it.
True. Trend is your friend.
Trend is your friend. I wonder what Raja's going for right now.
He's probably trading gold.
He's probably trading gold. For
Mhm.
what the fuck? I
Actually,
knew
I
it.
think-
Look what I said. Oh my god. Look. This is about 45 pips all the way up. I knew it. I knew I should have gauged it. Because right over here, look, I was looking at this range right here. Fill this range all the way up, that's 30 pips, and then all the way up to here, it's around 53 pips. But I wasn't about to trade my no trade range. I can't do it to myself. I can't do it to myself.
Just can't do it.
Up around 5 pips. 3 pips. Oh man, we're just babbling right now.
I know. I'm waiting for the strong push up to the wick on the 30 minute.
Mm-hmm.
See how we react, and if we don't break above, closing. I stacked it too, so.
Yeah, I stacked 2 positions. I'm waiting because the trade looks good, dude. It's like literally a textbook setup. So
Yeah.
yeah, I also stacked a position. I have 2 positions open right now.
Same.
So let's go ahead and make this shorter and show you guys where my second position is. don't want to keep you guys in the dark, huh? Alright, second position is at 161. Entry price 152. Oh wait, no. Yeah, 153, 161. Stop loss is at 152, 961. Yeah. Yeah, I don't want to leave you guys in the dark.
There we go.
Pushing up.
It's pushing.
Okay. There you guys go. You guys can see both of my positions, so you guys aren't in the dark. All right, up around 12 pips for both positions. 6 pips for the first position. So, oh yeah, this meeting has been upgraded by the host and now includes unlimited minutes. Hell yeah, looking good. Let's look at our 15-minute. See what our 15 minutes doing. Gotta wait about 3 minutes for this. Yeah, we need to wait for this 3 minutes. In about 3 minutes for this to close. Let me look at something. Oh, never mind. It's invalid. Alright, guys. I might need to go to the bathroom really quick, so I'll be right back.
Do it. Nice. Let's go. 12 pips. Ten pips. Go.
Alright, guys. What's up? What's up? I'm back. Man, it's just been babbling, huh?
Now it's actually up around 13 pips and came back down. I think
Yeah,
it's
I know.
trying to do a little liquidity grab and push back up higher.
Yeah, I was looking at my phone. I was like, because I know it wants to go.
Yeah, I'm back up at 10 pips now, but I want 15 first.
Yeah, I'm up around 13.
Oh, damn nice.
I'm holding up until we're at the top of this range.
There we go. She's pushing. All right, once we break that top, once we break that top wick, we should run up nice. 13 pips now. GJ.
Up around 14 pips. Can it just break its top wick already?
I know, right?
Hey, so did you see my text? He's in the waiting room, bro.
Where is he? I don't see him. He hasn't popped up. It says 3 participants right here.
Look.
Oh, I see him. There you go. Oh, I didn't notice that, dude. I'm not really good at using this fucking Zoom shit, but I'm gonna learn.
Yeah, bro.
I let him in.
Me and you both. We're not really as good at Zoom stuff as we are.
Oh, there he goes. Sam Chi.
Samchi.
Samchi. Oh, 14 pips. Let's go. Come on, give me 15. Here we go.
I'm already at 15.
Where did you get in? Did you get in at the break of the
right here.
Previous candle?
I got in at the wicks.
Oh, you got in on the pullbacks. All right, I get you.
Yeah.
Nice move, bro.
Ooh, right over here.
GG, let's
Do we have to
break
wait for a New York session for this to pop off, or what?
Fuck no, bro. It's 4. It's like 4. It's probably 4:30. We should see some nice volume right before 5, like yesterday. Nice push up, and then just wait until New York open. And then... She's looking good though, so. Looks like that dude's not connected.
right, this candle is the make or break it moment. I think it's bye. Hey, so what's going on? What's new with everyone's life, man? You guys doing
What
all
life?
right? My chat's life, that they're just chilling in this party. I mean, not the party. Chilling in the chat right now. Wanna know what's new with everyone, man? While we wait for this trade, it could really potentially hit 153,600. Yeah, it can. Let's go ahead and get this on the motherfucking Instagram. I'm up about 16.6 pips.
I'm up 14.5 right now. Boom. Come on. Oh, we're coming towards the top. Like, here we go. Let's go. Just what we wanted.
People are smart. They can handle it. The person is smart. People are dumb, panicky, dangerous animals, and you know it.
Just
Up around $1,500, but the move still hasn't whatchamacallit, so I'm still waiting. So in about 5 minutes, if we close above here, we should be good to go, sir. Because we're gauging a new range right over here, right? So my watch out area is right over here, but my take profit. Wait, so here I need to mark this out. So the resistance is right here. I mean the support is right here. Resistance is up there, and we need to close above here on the 30-minute. Right, so let me show you guys what I'm looking at. Resistance, support, range, right? I'm gonna start being more clear with you guys, just so you guys understand a little bit more of what I look at and what I try to find.
nice. 15 pips. All right, I'm securing some profits here. 17.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
I'm waiting for this full
Okay.
move. You know, good little
All right,
area.
but-
Once we close above this range, I'll go ahead.
Oh, I wanted to break that candle wick high though.
Yeah, you'll probably break it right after this candle.
You're right. All right. Yeah, let's.
Because as long as we stay above this line that I have, we're good. Because that's above the 61.8. So, aka, how many times I gotta say it to you guys? Trend is invalid once we pass the 61.8 and close above and retest it. So in about 3 minutes we'll know what we're doing. Let's look at GA right now. GA is, what is it doing? Is it retesting this? Or is it coming down? Oh, GA doesn't look so good. Alright. Just creating its own low range or whatnot. In about 3 minutes, if this one closes bearish, it could come down. So looking at GJ, we're about to close below. Didn't break the top wick. At this point, my buys are a little iffy. I'm still holding until about 2 minutes, so.
Can't lie, I took 0.5%. I took 50% off at 15 pips.
Oh yeah, that's good. That's good.
I'm looking to re-add it though once we break the high of the previous candle. If we do. Let's see. I'm pretty sure we will, I'm just saying. Usually it would have opened it. by now, but we'll see.
Yeah. Because if I close it out right now, I'll be up like 9 pips. And then I'll move on to gold.
The trend is still bullish though, so
yeah,
that's why
bullish.
I didn't close it all yet.
Even if we close a weak bearish candle, that'll help us out a little bit more. Because I'm still gauging the 1 hour, right? So
yeah, me too. So we're just respecting the low. And we opened above that previous resistance zone, so we're still bullish.
about 1 more minute. About 30 more minutes. And then we should see a potential push. If not, you'll most likely see a wick down right over here to this area to continue. You know, we still haven't fell back into this range, so the range starts from here to here. So until that happens, you know, still is potential in this trade. But for the trade to be very, very active, you need to close into here. So what I'm thinking that New York session might have to make us close in the 1 hour above here. So the 1 hour for 5 o'clock is going to close above. We're going to see a wick down at 5 to come up. But I mean, we've already retested it right here, so the chances of it coming up are still high. You know, because the range is from here to right here on the 1 hour. So yeah, let me stay looking at the 1 hour before the 30-minute freaks me out, huh?
Yeah, just look at the 1 hour. But the 30 minutes looking good. The candle opened bullish. I think this one might be the one that breaks the highs. But it's coming up pretty strong.
Now we're just waiting at this point, guys. A bit more volume now to re-break those highs. Yeah, a little bit more volume. As soon as we disrespect this top wick, you should see a nice clean push.
Dude, I would have gotten screwed on gold if I would have shorted it, because it looked like it wanted to come down. I was thinking about it. I said, nah, I don't know.
Yeah, no.
It doesn't look like it wants to come down.
What I was looking at was right over here, from this point to this point, resistance, support, and then we fell above it. And when I seen it fall above, I was like, no, we're coming up. But since it was in my no trade range, I didn't want to take that. I was like, no, I'm okay. You know, I could take a trade like that later.
Take a gold move when it's NY open or something.
All right. So since we are gauging the 1 hour, right? This is the beginning of the 1 hour. then the second hourly candle should give us our volume that we want.
Yep,
yeah.
here we come. Oh, beautiful, beautiful.
Hold on.
19
We might reject.
pips. Hold on, bro.
Just wait.
Get that finger ready.
Just wait. We might reject.
Let's see.
As long as we push past this candle's wick, we're good, man.
Yeah.
But, you know, it looks like we're not going to pass it right here.
Just needs a little more loving. Come on, GG.
A little more love in TLC. Yeah. It's unfortunate.
I think it might make a wick to make a little liquidity grab and then push up. We went up pretty fast on the 30-minute. Usually when it runs up like that, it comes back down a little bit, then it hits it up. But let's see.
Yeah, look. That was unfortunate right there, huh? Hourly candle needs to show us something. I mean, we're already closed above the 61.8 on the 30.
Yeah. Something tells me it's gonna pop. It's just gonna go bam. It's gonna shoot.
The reason why I like Fibonacci is because it's all literally price action. Like, the thing like with trend lines and stuff, like that doesn't really give you like an accurate like price action type of trade, you know what I mean? Like Fibonacci is basically ranges, right? So that's like the closest thing to like an eyeball price action that you'll find, you know.
Here we go. We're reaching that top level. Let's get it, GJ.
All right, GJ, show us something, please.
Come on, let's give these people on the live stream a show, GJ.
I know, we need a show. We need a show today. All right, baby, let's go. Baby, let's go.
Delicious. Oh, we're coming up.
Delicious.
Delicious, bro. That's what I like to see, just money printing. Ooh, 23 pips in the money right now. Let's go.
I'm about 35 pips in the money. Shit.
We broke that high, that previous high. We coming up. If anybody took this trade, give my man a like and subscribe to the channel.
Like and subscribe, please.
You should be up.
And if you won this trade, please shout us out. That would help us so much, man. We need exposure. You don't understand how much that helps us out.
And we'll shout you out.
Oh yeah, and we'll shout you out for shouting us out. So
Yes.
I took another entry once we broke.
Smart. I'm doing the same thing. Fuck it. Boom. I put in my stops in the 30-minute, 20. Boom. All right, come on. Let's get it.
Oh, I'm balls deep in this trade. No going back. Nice little momentum right now to continue up.
There we go.
Oh yeah. Come on, show me something, GJ. Don't let me down today.
No, I don't think so. We already broke that high that we needed to pass. We should be money.
It's babbling between the high.
Tonight, I'll be eating avocado tacos. Thank you. Ooh, you gonna eat that at Leslie Palooza? What? Who's coming to that? Everyone coming. Everybody. You, her, me, all of them.
Oh, hell yeah. 11 viewers today. Let's go. Cool. So, if you guys don't know, this is what we're looking at. We're looking to stay above this area to fill this range right over here. We're already getting some nice volume to push past. We're gauging the 1 hour, right? We already broke the 1 hour high to continue heading up. Watch out area at the first resistance. Full take profit at the second resistance. So, if you guys are new in the stream, this is what we're looking at. I was up around 40 pips. Just waiting for this entry right over here to go into profits. So this one is the one we're going to be keeping an eye on. Dude, I'm loving these funding talent spreads. Like, so fucking low. Like, so low. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. 15. Looks like the 15 is gauging somewhere. Where are we at on the 15? Down around 2 pips on this trade. There you go. Bring me back up. Alright guys, so we're just waiting for this trade to hit. I think we're waiting on a 15-minute close. Next 15 minute at 2:45 should push us up for the 30-minute. Alright. Already broke this candle's high.
Respecting the higher low.
Yeah, respecting the higher low. Huh? So we'll move our stops right over here now.
I'm gonna wait on this 1 hour candle to close so I can move my stops just below the 1 hour candle. Just, yeah, below 1 hour candle. Hey, what happened to that dude?
I don't know. You don't want free money? Nah. Nah, just kidding. About 13 views right now. What's up, guys? So if you don't know, we do host a free Telegram group Saturday and Sunday. We teach you Forex for free because we want to help you guys out, and the more people we get to help, it makes us feel better. You know what I mean? So especially if you're from IML Academy, we'll spend even more time with you, because we hate that IML Academy does rip you guys off about $200 a month of your hard-earned money, and that you don't learn nothing. So if you
Seriously.
don't know, my Telegram group is in my Instagram description. You can go ahead and join from that link, and then I'll drop a Zoom link, or he'll drop a Zoom link on Saturday and Sunday. So if you don't know, now you know.
Yep.
All right, looks like the 15 minutes good to go.
The Mariners at the Blue
About
Jays. Today
1
at
more
7
minute.
p.m. Eastern, 4 p.m. Pacific. Live on youtube.com/MLB.
Liquidity grab, question mark. Oh, needs to pass this high. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. On stream. On stream. We're looking so good. I'm just waiting for that push.
It's looking real nice. Oh, there she goes.
There she goes. There she goes. Alright, guys. You're about to see me pass phase 2 on stream. About $400 more away from phase 2. So, just waiting. Now I'm doing the challenge. So yesterday I passed phase 1. Looking to pass phase 2 today. But GJ wants to play with my feelings.
That's what GJ does.
Oh hell yeah, bro. Hell fucking yeah. You're on your real account. I'm so proud of you, man. So proud of you. Right now I'm trying to pass the funding talent challenge. So that's what we're gauging today. First trade secured 10 pips on GJ and left runner now.
Nice.
Damn, it's playing with my feelings.
Still bullish though.
Oh yeah, very bullish.
What's going on? It's Leon Bridges. Check out my new song, Why Don't You Touch Me, on YouTube Music.
Three trades deep. That's what's up.
Yeah, as long as we don't pass this line, we're good. And then we're creating a support above it. So then I'm expecting the next candle after this to be my daddy candle. start sitting down. In about 14 seconds, I might be looking at a fake out.
I mean, we're closing above resistance.
Now we closed into this range right over here.
On what time frame? 30
5.
minute and more. 5 minute, bro. What the fuck is that? As long as you're still close above on the 30 minute and the 1 hour, with the highs and the lows being respected, the trade is still valid, in my opinion. I'm gonna wait. Because the lows, the higher lows are being respected right now, so just give it some liquidity grab. But we'll see.
Maybe. But right over here, we're creating like a resistance type of thing. So we'll see. Because for the 1 hour to push, we need to get over this line. Staying above. Hoping volume for NY pushes us up all the way over here past this resistance. We need to close into this area right over here in about 2 minutes for the next candle to fill this range. Crashing on gold? Not yet.
Crash?
No, not yet.
Yeah, as I said, I'm watching it. It looks pretty bullish right now. I got some new streaming headphones coming in the mail today.
Fuck
Pretty
yeah.
excited. Pretty excited about it. Don't you just love when GJ goes down so far, then it just pushes right
I
back up
know.
to where it
It's
was?
trapping all the retail traders. All the retail traders are like, holy fuck, it's about to go down. It's about to go down. Boom.
Sell.
Stops you up.
Or they close positions early, then it rallies.
Boom, boy. Let's go. Pass my fucking funding talent challenge, boy. Give me my motherfucking money. All right, let's go. I think that you know, I'm pretty much the best. Nah, just playing. All right, boys. I fucking passed my funding talent challenge right there on stream. Let's go. Closing out all my positions. You guys could see how this one goes with this one. So, actually, here. Let's go to my first entry. Dub, let's go. Pass my fucking funding talent challenge.
Where was your price target at? I was like, my shit hasn't even hit yet. Is your shit? Is my shit lagging?
No. I was just waiting. I was waiting for 4,000. That was it.
Oh, you're waiting on it. Oh, I feel you, brother. All right. This candle closed pretty bullish. You should have left a little runner.
Oh no, fuck no. I'm good. I'm Gucci.
He's like, I got my money. I'm fucking out. All right. I could tell bro in the red.
Hey, I
was low-key
over leveraged like
nervous.
a motherfucker. Hey, just know that I over leveraged like crazy.
Yo, this boy right here is crazy as fuck. There's no wonder he was like watching it like,
Oh, dude,
shit.
my fucking heart was racing, bro. Like when I seen myself go down like 2.7, I was like down 2.7k. I was like, oh, fuck, like I'm about to close position, and then you were telling me like, nah, just we're going up.
Just hold it. Play it out though. I just want 25 pips, bro. That's all I want. We're almost there.
Let's go. Okay.
Are you messaging them right now saying,
Oh, yeah.
yo, pass that shit?
Oh yeah, I'm about to get 18 behind, so this is how much I'm gonna get as a refund. So for 420.
420?
420 plus 810 plus 610. I'm about to get 1840 in a refund right now.
That's what's up.
Get me fucking paid. Give me my fucking live account. Let's go, dude.
Dude, I don't see him on the fucking Zoom, bro. Like, I'm looking at the chart. It says participants, me and you, and then I open it. There's nobody waiting in the waiting room.
Let's go. Payout is most likely gonna be tomorrow or today on Bitcoin.
Bitcoin.
Yes, we do go live every day. Also, we do go live on Zoom to help people out for free. I've said this 1,000 times. You know, we're tired of scammers. We're tired of people trying to take your guys' money. So me and him want to give back to the community. Everyone else in the community is very, very toxic. So me and him want to give back to the community and help you guys out for free. Help you guys learn Forex, because the more people in the market, the better. And the more people we get to help, the better. You know what I mean? It gives us like a good heart, you know? So yeah, if you guys want to join, the Telegram is in my bio on my Instagram. All you have to do is click the link, join up, and then wait till Saturday and Sunday for a Zoom link. We will post a poll right before we do the Zoom link, so you need to make sure you answer the poll, okay? And then we will go live. We just want to make sure everyone's active in the chat. Yeah, GJ Wilder.
All right. I closed my last bid at 6 pips. It's coming down.
Yeah. So that was what?
Fuck it, I still got 20.
14 pips. 14 pip GJ win. Either
20
way,
pip.
it can reject at this area right over here. Either way. So, you never know.
I mean, It's coming down with some momentum. We'll see.
That, you seen how quiet I got? You seen how quiet I got? I was like, oh
This
my
man was
God.
like, holy shit, are we gonna come down?
I
Nah, we
know,
come down.
bro. Like I was telling you. Let's see the 5 minute. See why it's doing this to us. Okay, maybe a liquidity grab at the 6218 to shoot back up. If we close like that on the 5, then it's a fake out. Just to let you guys know. Do you guys want us to look for one more trade to see if there's any opportunities? Other than that, I'm pretty much done for the day.
Yeah, me too. Not up much. I mean, only
SMA sure did fake me out.
1.7%.
Damn, bro, you should have secured at 10 pips. We were up at. He was
I
up
took
20 pips.
20
I was
pip-
up around
I took-
14.
I took 20 pips and I secured it. I took 50% at 15, then at 50% at 20. Then I left the small runner. I closed my small runner at 6 pips. Only up 1.75% on the day. It's all Gucci. Being up is better than being down, that's for sure.
Yeah, being up is better than being down. So even if you got hit up break even, hopefully your stops were a little bit above your stop loss.
Yeah.
But
Yeah,
guys,
this candle's rejecting right here.
yeah, you're rejecting pretty hard. But you are reaching that 61.8 level. You have to wait for this 30-minute to close first before you make your bias on whether it's going down or up. So if you guys are looking for a trade, wait for this candle to either close below right over here, or wait for it to stay above right over here. Okay, so before you guys make your bias on whether it's a buy or sell, just keep that in mind. You need to wait for this candle to close. You're not looking for any trades, Jay?
Yeah, so my thoughts are still gauging GJ. If we respect the 1 hour higher low, my thought is have stops right underneath the new candle on the 1 hour. And if we break the high, take the top.
Look at GA.
You're on G.
Look at GA. Matter of fact, we might be able to get them an entry on GA. Okay. Okay, guys. So this is what we're looking at, right? Clean candles to the left. Let's stay above these ranges right over here. Right? Let's stay above. Okay. As long as we close bare, ooh, you know, might create a resistance actually. Might be done. No. As long as either the 30-minute or 1 hour stays above, you're going to fill this whole range right over here. Okay, so this is what I want you guys to look at. There could be a chance that you do reject and come back down just because of the simple fact that we are very high in the market already. But other than that, if I were to get in, I'll get in right over here and stops below previous candle to get in right over here. USD/JPY. Oh, no. I stay away from that pair during this session. So yeah, guys, looking for a GA trade right now. We're looking good. We're looking really good. As long as the 30-minute closes above or the 15-minute, we should be good for the 1 hour to continue up, or the 1 hour needs to close. So either way, you're coming up to clear this range. Okay, now it's time to sit down. You know, I passed my boat challenges in 2 days, so yeah. We're funded. We are officially funded, guys. So we are officially funded. Let's go. I'm cracked. So all you guys need to do is wait for this 1 hour candle to stay above this range, because you're in a huge rejection area. So what that means is that you need to wait for a closure. You need to wait for one, because at any point in time we can reject. We're at this huge rejection right over here, but as long as so check this out, right over here. Matter of fact, the range starts from here. So this is what I always look at, right? So you have the support, right? You have the resistance, okay, with a clear move up, and it's just been ranging from this area, right? So with that being said, all you need to wait for is a closure now at this point, okay? Oops. And then what you do is you put a watch out area at a rejection candle like this one, right? Like this one. So when I'm in my head and I'm breaking down the pair for you guys, right, without explaining it, this is what I'm looking at in my head, right? I'm looking at a nice clean range, right? You have two ranges within this area, right? So like I said, you have the big range, and then you have a small range within the range. So then the other small range is from right here to right here, right? But we're not looking at that. We're looking at this range, right? Nice clean move. So resistance formed correctly, right? So all you have to wait for is the 30-minute to stay above this area. Once the 30-minute closes above, you want to wait for the break of this area to continue going up. So I would say safe buys over here. So just wait, because at any point we can create a resistance. That's insane, bro. I can't believe it. Past that shit. One go. GA's overbought? Yeah, that's why I said you have to wait for a closure. Yeah, we were up around 15 pips. On my end, Trader J, he was up around 20 pips on GJ. So whatever trade you took, you should have secured around 10 pips.
15 pips.
Or, yeah, 15 pips.
Yeah.
At, what was my entry? Oh, yeah. Why is it bringing me back? Okay, my entry was around... Ooh, imagine I held that, dude. Oh, my God. 153, 145. Alright, that is what we got going on, guys. So, got in at the low of this candle, right? And came all the way up here. About 16 pips, right? So while we're waiting on GA, right? I want you guys to open up that screen, because I'm gonna go ahead and detail this trade since we are at that moment where we're about to close stream. I want you guys to go ahead and just focus on GA right now while I do my thing. So wait for a closure above. If not, we're creating resistance. We already have these two smaller body candles
This is your 1
with
o'clock open,
what
which is
and
your
on the 1 hour.
NY open.
So what that's
this is
telling
long
me,
for the market.
so what
This
that's
is
telling
gold, by
me
the way.
is that
So this is kind of what I have. This is my
GA's
zone, part of my
momentum for
strategy.
bulls
So
are
3
coming to
scenarios
an
can play
end.
out.
So like I said, wait for the closure,
Price can
because at
start
any
rejecting
point
from here.
it can go
It
either
can
way
come
at this
down, grab
moment,
some
right?
liquidity, and
Because we're
start rejecting from there.
high
Otherwise,
into
this
the
can
range
turn into your
that we've been
rejection
trying
zone,
to step up and
and we
clear
can
this whole entire
continue
range
down.
for days now.
And this is kind
Okay,
of my weekly
so
target right there, which is, there you go, just a little bit below 146. So yeah, guys,
who are
let's
you
see how it
watching,
plays out today.
Joseph?
What's up?
Who are you watching?
Oh, my buddy who trades gold. I was telling him to jump on the stream with us, but he's at the office right now, so he just sent me a breakdown of what he's looking at.
Oh, okay.
Oh, see, I fucking knew it. Look, so GJ's gonna fucking go ahead and retest that 13 EMA on the 30-minute. Huge liquidity grab. If it breaks the high, I'm jumping in.
No,
'cause
I
it's gonna
told
run
you.
up.
I told you. You need to wait for this to close. I knew it was gonna come up. So, cause when you're past the 61.8, like right over here, look, right over here was the 61.8, right? Came all the way in the range to grab liquidity, right? We've already created support. We've already created support above the 61.8, right?
Yeah.
On the 15-minute. So if we already created support, then all we wait for is all we wait for is the candle to come in, grab liquidity. Once the candle closes, if it closes above the 61.8, because this basically it's a flipped version of this one. So if it closes above the 61.8, that's when you want to take your entry and stuff. And then once it passes the candle right over here, you're good to go for about 23 pips.
Yeah.
So as long
Yeah,
as we do that, we're fine. But other than that, boys, we're golden today.
This point 3 scenario.
Because we're still very, very bullish right now. Failed to create a new low, and then you have your higher low right over here, and then just retesting that higher low to come
You
up.
started getting ready for bed with soothing sounds, and now you're ready to fall asleep. Keep your
Bro,
brain
so for
still
Friday, I'm
playing
trying to get
and
some
with your
special
screen
going
off.
on.
Try YouTube
I got
Premium
these two
on
guys
us.
who are just monsters at gold. We're gonna have a gold sniper sesh. Only gold.
Oh yeah, no, Friday we need to have only gold. It's NFP on Friday.
Oh, you're right. So it
Yes,
works
sir.
out.
Yeah, it works out really nicely.
Yeah, I'll introduce you to the boys. Those dudes are they're from London and out in the UK out there. But yeah, those
Oh
dudes
dude,
are funny.
I'm sure they'll love us, man. I'm sure they
Oh
will.
yeah, those dudes are cool. They're cool.
Don't mean to give out my info like this, but my password.
Everybody started getting copying my man's password down if you want a funded account. Just kidding.
I want to see my metrics. Wrong one. Alright, it's this one. Damn, 107 lots. So, for some reason it's not showing up yet, but I'm up 4,200 on my screen. So I think we gotta wait for the next hourly, because I think it updates every hour. So, yeah, look, I was 2,000 away from drawdown. That's why I got so scared at one point. I was like,
Oh, I
shit.
see.
I got hella scared.
You're like, I'm boss beat, boy.
Yeah, this site is gonna fund my account. I just passed phase 2 of the challenge right now. So, yeah. We out here, guys. I got funded in 2 days on stream with you guys, so I'm happy that you guys, came back to see me pass this one. So, look. Can I look at my trades? So look, so I was negative 6 pips, like I said on stream. This one closed out at 13 pips, 11 pips, 8 pips, 0.10 pips, right? So I barely made it. I barely made it. So right over here was that third entry I showed you guys. Right over here was that third entry. Once I got into drawdown, I went in hella positions because I was like, you know, if we wake up, like I need this right now. I know it's gonna come back down. I need to hop in right now. So boom, I hopped in about 5 positions. Each time I'll hop in at, you know, a pip each. So each pip that I was dropping, I was going in another position. I usually don't over leverage like this, but for the challenge, I had to over leverage.
We do not recommend over leveraging if you don't trade.
No, we do not.
Because you will fuck yourself.
If you don't know how to trade, and you don't know your certain price targets, do not over leverage, okay?
Yeah. And if you don't got magic keys, don't do it either.
Yeah, especially if you don't have magic keys. The only reason why I over leverage is because I have this little tool right here that one button, all these positions will go bye-bye. You know what I mean?
Yep.
And look how long we waited for this trade. An hour and 11 minutes.
I know, right?
Fuck.
And it didn't even give us that big of a move. Fucking GJTs.
I know, what a tease. No, I'm sure that they'll give us a move at 5:30.
I know.
Bro, I need some chapstick, bro. Hold on. Give me a second.
Get some.
Alright. Back to it. Back to it. County of Santa Barbara. Let's see what we have for me today.
So the way you get your account funded is you take a challenge and they give you parameters where you have to meet. And then once you meet those price targets and drawdowns, they fund your, well, he's here. Yo, he wants to know how the site works. You're getting funded.
Oh, okay. So this is how the site works, right? So if you go down to pricing, right? So you have the 100k challenge and you have the 25k challenge. There's no 50. There used to be a 300k challenge. There used to be a 200k challenge, but I guess people were making too much money doing that. So I think that, yeah. So I think that they removed it, right? So for the 100k challenge, it's about $610, right? You've passed 2 phases. There's no rules, there's no monthly fees, and you retry for free if profitable with no violations, and you get bi-weekly payouts. So with the funding account that Turi has, Dr. Dollar, he only gets paid out once every month, right? This one you have bi-weekly payouts plus an 80% profit split. His is only a 70% profit split with 1 month payout, right? He had to pass 2 challenges to get bi-weekly payout. So if you go down to your I think it's rules. Challenge. So your profit targets are 8% each, right? So phase 1, you need to make $8,000, right? So phase 2, you need to make $4,000, okay? So you have an 8% profit target for phase 1, and you have a phase 2 for 4%. Your drawdown limits are 5,000 and 10,000. So in one day you can't lose more than 5,000. I was $2,000 away from losing it today. So that's why I scaled in as much as I did. Okay. So if you don't know what you're doing, please don't scale in. But like I said, that is the reason why. So, and then after that you get funded 100k, and any profits you make after that is an 80-20 split. So, a late account withdrawals is the 1st and 15th of every month. So keep in mind. Oh, what did I say? What did I say, guys? Liquidity grab below the 61.8 to close above it.
Yeah, and it respected it too. I'm getting in.
Yeah, I
Have
was
stops.
focused. I was pretty focused. You know, I wanted to pass my challenge in 2 days. You know, Dr. Dollar, we hopped on a call and he was like, you know, just take the challenge, bro. You're wasting your time doing the 10% profit one, because I've been doing the 10% profit one for a few months now. And, you know, I just felt like I was wasting my time. I was making $10,000 just for a 10% split. You know what I mean? Each week I was trading, I was making $10,000. So why am I gonna go for a little split like that? You know what I mean? Like, as a trader, I felt embarrassed, like telling my friends like, yeah, I make $10,000, but I only get 10% from my profits. So that kind of sucks. You know, it was a little bit embarrassing. You know. But it's all right. I passed my challenge today, so now for every 10k I make, I'm grabbing 8k. So, you know what I mean? I'm just glad that, you know, I was able to do that. But anyways, look at this sniper ass call. I literally called it when we were right over here and gave you guys an example of what to look for right here, right? So basically how I like to view it is I like to view it as like, imagine this was flipped around, right? It was flipped around and it looks exactly like this. Literally same, pretty much the same setup, you know. As long as we close above the 61.8, creating support above it, that means that the next candle after this should have a clean move, like a very clean move. So whenever the trend is invalid above the 61.8, there's always a clean move, because that means that it's invalid now. There's no reason that that seller should still be in play after we close above. So that's why it happens with a clean move up, and then you're expecting price to push past this area and to push past this area to go here. No, you want to wait for a close. I mean, you can enter. That's up to you. I'm not going to stop you. You would?
No, I wouldn't. Not yet.
Yeah, not yet. We're really not closing. So what you want is to either close above here or close above this line. So I have two lines to close above. You have this line, right? And then you have this line. So if we look on our 1 hour candle, right? If you look on our 1 hour candle, this is where our range starts. So our range starts from right here with support, and then ends right over here with resistance with a clean move, right? So that's our range, right? Our overall range starts from right here. Our overall range starts from right here to right here because of the resistance, right?
Right, she's coming up.
So like I told you guys, there's always a range within a range, right? So this is the overall range and this is the smaller range in it. So what you're expecting is you're expecting volume to push past this resistance right over here. You're expecting volume to push past this resistance right over here during a volume session to hit the overall range. So right over here, we're closing within the range, okay? So on the 30-minute, you can enter, but you might want to wait for a 1 hour close, because since we're gauging the 1 hour range, we're not gauging a 30-minute range. There is a possibility you have to wait for this 1 hour candle to go up, okay? That is why you wait, because we're gauging the 1 hour range from here to here. But if we close on the 30-minute, there is a possibility that we head up. So the reason why I say you might have to wait for a 1 hour is because that if you don't wait for the 1 hour, that means that this candle right over here has to flip bullish and didn't get a chance to create support above resistance, right? So that is why you might have to wait for a 1 hour close rather than a 30-minute close.
Unless it breaks the high.
Unless it breaks the high, and then during that point, you don't need to wait. So yeah, hopefully you guys understand my thinking, I guess you could say. But yeah. He said he's still in the waiting room.
I don't see anybody, dude. There's only 2 participants. Let's see.
Damn. Like, and I don't want him to think I'm scamming him, you know what I mean? Like,
Why did you charge him or something?
Yeah. Hell yeah. What the
You
hell?
charged him?
That's in
What'd
the
you
Zoom
charge
call.
him?
200. Hey, bro, no, he said he wanted one, you know, I told him everything else was free, but he would rather be in the Zoom call. So, hey, you know what I mean? I'm not, everything I do, guys, is free. But, you know, if you tell me that you don't care about all the free stuff and you want to be in the call with me, I'm not going to stop you. You know, money is money, you know, but I'm very not greedy. I do a lot of things that are free. And before you guys buy something from me, I always tell you, hey, this is free and that is free. So you don't have to buy this, but if you want to, you can. You know what I mean? But yeah. Remember when I told you this? He bought like 2 weeks ago. Remember when he was in the call before?
Ooh.
So I messaged him yesterday. I was like, "Hey man, I missed you on the Zoom call. Like, how have you been lately?" He's like, "You know, I haven't gotten an invite." I was like, "Oh man, you need to join the Zoom, the Telegram. It's a little bit harder inviting you through Instagram every day." And then so I sent him an invite today, and he didn't join. So you know what? It's a little unfortunate. So yeah, like I was saying, guys, right over here, you're gonna have to wait for the 1 hour because on the 30-minute, at any point in time, we can close bearish. So if this 30-minute candle closes bearish, that means that we're gonna fill the bottom of this range, right? So that's what you have to wait on. You might have to wait on a 1 hour close since we're gauging 1 hour ranges. So yeah, about 29 minutes. So yeah, I was all telling him like, "Hey man, where have you been at? This and that." He was like, "I haven't gotten an invite." I was like, "Hey, like, you know, you gotta add me on Telegram. It's easier sending you invites through Telegram, this and that, da 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 da." So I sent him an invite today, and he joined and left. Like, you know what I mean? I don't want him thinking I'm scamming him. Like, I really want him to learn as much as he can from me. But I told him it's up to him if he wants to be in these classes. I told him, you know, it's up to you, bro. You know, it's not in my power for you to join.
Can't join for you.
Yeah, I can't join for you, man. And then when he does join, I don't even think he knows the basics of trading. So I'm basically starting from start to finish, you know what I mean? There's no foundation to start from. So it's a little unfortunate, you know? But yeah. So right now, guys, we're still waiting on this 1 hour to close. About 27 minutes. So while these 27 minutes are happening, go ahead, send us some charts. If you guys took any wins or took any losses, that'd be cool. Or if you guys just want to talk about a random topic, like, we're down to just talk about anything right now. You know what I mean? We have literally 27 minutes. So whatever you guys want to talk about, let us know. If you guys want to talk about how to find ranges, if you want to talk about why we're gonna break through a resistance, you know what I mean, or you want to talk about like finding clean ranges or something like that, like to target, you know, just anything really. Like, we're really open to any conversation at this point. Or if you want to talk about some stoner questions with Joseph over here, this guy, yeah. You know, he loves talking about his Puffco. No, just playing, but yeah. So right now, we're waiting for the 1 hour to close above, because right over here is our little thing in my baba. And we retested rejection. We retested our resistance area right over here, because this is resistance and this is support. The reason why this isn't resistant and this isn't support, and the reason why this isn't resistance is because right over here, right, you created this nice little range here. Let's, I'm a stoner too, bro, no shame. You see that, Joseph?
Yeah.
That's
Ah,
funny.
dude, I don't have any shame on it, bro. Look at this shit. I'll
All
cheers you right
right.
now if you want to get down, but we're trading right now. I don't smoke when I'm trading.
Yeah, no smoking during
unfortunately.
trading. No smoking during trading.
That's
So,
how you lose the most money fast.
So the reason why this isn't the top of our range is because right over here is our resistance, probably on the 30-minute, and right over here is our support, right? The reason why you can validate this as not the top of our range is because we closed into the range to the left, created support. Create a, what do you call this? A support or resistance?
Resistance.
Okay,
No, it's creating a support.
Okay, so you create
Previous
support.
resistance. Yeah.
You create support within the range, right? So you rejected the top of the range. So that means that when you reject the top of the range, you always head back up. Head back down to the bottom of the range. So the bottom of the range got tapped. So that is why this is your range, and this right here to this point isn't. Okay, so you guys need to keep a lookout on things like that. Okay. And then looking to our left, right over here. So this is the bottom of the range, and this is the top of the range, right? Actually, no, let's look at the 30-minute. That looks a little bit too good to be true. All right, yeah. So right here is the top of the range, and right here is gonna be your watch out. Yeah, makes sense, right? We already marked it out from right here to here, but if we look left, it confirms it. So yeah, all we need to do is close above this line right here. This line is our make or break it moment. I'm just glad you are showing people on PL on funding talent. So many say they have, but don't show it. Yeah, bro. Me and Joseph love to stay transparent as possible. There are a lot of fake gurus out there. There are a lot of fake traders. There are a lot of assholes. Yeah,
Okay.
you know what I mean. So we try to stay as transparent as possible and positive as possible. So, that's why we show it. Usually my trades are right, but they always hit my stop loss, and then they go the way I expected them to. I want to know how you catch those retests. Catching retests take experience. So you really need a lot of chart time to take retests. So right over here would have been a possible area to take a retest, because right over here is the top of the resistance and you rejected it. So when you reject a resistance, right, the possibilities of it coming back up are very high, because of the fact that you did what's that called, you did retest it but rejected it. You didn't fall any lower, right? You fell lower, but when you see a jump up, that means it's a rejection. Any jump with a wick is a rejection, right? And you rejected the resistance, so that's where you would take a retest, right? But retests do take experience, and you need to wait on that. So yeah, that is why.
I'm hoping GJ closes like a hammer on this 13 EMA, bro. I'm gonna stack this shit out of it if it closes that way. Because then for sure we're gonna be heading up.
Oh
That's
yeah.
usually what happens.
Oh yeah.
We get a retest, then it closes bullish, then we retest that high, it breaks, and we're coming near the 6 a.m. So we should see some volume. So if everybody who didn't take a trade before is looking for a run right now, I'm not jumping in just yet. I'm waiting for the 30-minute to close bullish, hammer the way it is right now, and then for the next candle to break the bullish candle high on the 30-minute to add a position. I will be adding this is personally for me, I'm not recommending this for anybody, but I'm gonna be opening a position once the 30-minute closes and once the high breaks on the next 30-minute candle.
Mm-hmm.
Just want to explain my strategy of how I'm gonna go and retest the highs. So
and then we retested Joseph's 13 EMA strategy right over here, retested it at the bottom to come all the way back up. Still very bullish. You know, he uses the 13 EMA to see if, you know, in a short period of time, are we bullish, are we bearish, you know, and then looks for the rejections of those areas. If you guys didn't know, now you know. Do you think that if this current candle flips bullish, you might take entries? Ask Joseph. I'm not taking any entries at this moment.
What time frame are you gauging, bro?
So what time frame are you gauging, Piergi? The 1 hour.
1 hour. So what I'm anticipating is, so you see how the 1 hour right now has a small bearish body? What you want to see on the 30 minute to get your sniper entry is for this candle right now that's currently open for 20 minutes, it closes, for it to close bullish. If that closes bullish, then you know we'll come and retest the high of the 1 hour. And if you go ahead and check the 4 hour, we're right above against the 4 hour candle high. So if we break the 4 hour and the 1 hour, which usually happens around New York, momentum will come in and we will go straight to the money. So that's what I'm telling you guys.
Oh yeah, huh? We would. As long as we close above this area, yeah, we should. You're right. Right over here. Right over here. Gotta stay
Add
above
more
here.
to that bag, bro. Don't fucking full margin that shit. Go in like a 1%. Throw some extra money in your bag.
Yeah. So
Take
right
the
over
GJ
here.
trade.
Right over here. Piergi. So this is the 4 hour support. If you look to your right, as long as we close above that area, we're good to go. We are good to go. Just gotta wait these 19 minutes, because at any point in time the 4 hour can reject this area and come back down into the range. So since this is the 4 hour close, you gotta wait. I should have checked the 4 hour a long time ago.
The only reason I know is because I keep the 4 hour, 1 hour, and 30 minute charts open at the same time.
Oh, so yeah, huh?
I gauge them all at the same time.
I have to switch, which is unfortunate. You know, I'd rather have it all open, but
we'll get you another monitor soon.
Yeah. Let's get it, boys. Hey, we out here. You know, I'm finally funded. Got funded. Hey, this is like, I don't know how many people pass challenges in 2 days. You know what I mean? I don't know how many people pass the challenges in 2 days. I don't even know how many people pass one challenge in a day. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm hella happy. Yeah, I'm very happy. You know, because this is the make or break it moment for my trading career. You know, because right now my baby's finally born. I need money to come in. You know, I can't keep relying on, you know, unemployment and stuff. So this is the make or break it moment on my trading career. As long as I get 80% of my profits and I average 10K a week, or even lower than 10K a week, I'm good. I'm set. Even if I average 10K in 1 week, and then my first payout's $8,000, dude, I'm done for the month. You know what I mean? And then I could risk 0.5% each and every month after that. You know, I'll have a savings account with my first payout. And then after this, there's no monthly fee. None. So oh yeah. Let's check the 15 minute. You might be able to enter over here on the 15. Nah. Just wait the 16. But if we pass this candle, go ahead, take your entry. But in general, you would want to wait for something like that. Okay. Now we wait. Yeah, it is the best feeling, man. Best feeling ever. Make sure that, you know, I want to make sure that my thing updated so that when they check it out. The only thing I don't like about funding talent is that there's not enough Workers, man. Oh, right here. See, there you go. It updated.
Damn.
Right here, so you guys can see it. Okay. I did stack a lot of positions, but you know, I got in at the retest. So it's like you really need experience when it comes down to trading a retest. So don't stack positions. If it hits your stop, if it's in your stop loss, you need to close 50%. If it goes lower in your stop loss, you need to close full. You know what I mean? Rather lose $200 and win 1,000 later than to lose a whole 1,000 in one go.
True.
Score to buy on USD/JPY. Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah, I'm proud of you. Okay.
Moment of truth. If we break this shit, we're going up.
I have 5 more minutes. If you guys didn't see this, so if you guys go down to magic keys, and you look at my setup, look at the quote. He said, "Do not anticipate and move without market confirmation. Being a little late in your trade is insurance that you are right or wrong." So, you know what I mean? It's okay to be late on this trade. You don't have to be so early. You can wait. Yeah, I'm sorry about that, guys. I'm on the phone right now, so I am muted. I'm still waiting for this trade, okay? So wait about 11 minutes for the 4 hour to close above this area, this line. You're waiting for a closure, okay? Hold it down for the commentating, Joseph, while I'm on the call.
Yeah, sure. Yep, just waiting on GJ here.
Hey, so what I told Funding Talent right now is I said, hey, look, I don't know if anyone has passed your challenge in 2 days. If they haven't, I'd love to get interviewed by you guys and show you guys my strategy. So I'm telling you guys are gonna see me on Funding Talent's fucking channel, okay? Sorry for the cussing. I don't usually cuss on stream, but you guys are going to see me on Funding Talent's channel. So keep a lookout. If not with passing this challenge in 2 days, then you're gonna see me with a 25k payout, and then I'll be out there. Then I will get interviewed. So yeah, we're waiting about 8 more minutes for the 4-hour close. Like I said, we're waiting for a closure above this. That's all we need. That's all we need. Let's look at gold. Yeah, gold was no trade for the day. No trade. It's fine. What was your buddy looking at?
So he caught him short. His strategy is pretty interesting. He says once he sees that the top wick is being respected, let's see, on the top side, and it just goes up and then starts pushing down, he's already shorting the top. He's like adding positions.
Oh, that's
at
a
the
little.
top.
It's unsafe for my style.
This man is fucking reckless, bro. But like he understands price action and he understands like how the candles, higher lows and higher highs all can help each other out.
That kind of scares me, dude.
He makes money, bro. Well, you fucking over leveraged right now, bro. What you mean?
Oh yeah, well that's different. No, but
it's like I won't short the tops, but I'll over leverage the fuck out of my position.
Fuck yeah, dude. But with my strategy, I'm going zone to zone. So he's trading within the range, and I can't trade ranges.
Yeah, that's technically what he's doing. He's just trading the range, trying to get a couple pips.
Yeah, how much is he opening a lot for his couple of pips?
I think he does 5 lots. I'm not sure. Gotta ask him.
Oh no, man, I can't. Cause with zone to zone trading, you get like 50 pips per trade. Yeah, I can't. Yeah, I don't know. That kind of scares me. But I want to see how he trades. I'd love to.
No, he's coming on Friday.
Yeah.
Said he's down for Friday. So everybody on the stream, Friday would be a great day to be on.
Oh yeah, Friday's a great day to be on. We'll have like a little special guest. You know, he is a gold trader, so we're gonna go ahead and pick his brain, see his strategy or whatnot. And yeah.
See what we find.
See what we have. Bet. Yes, sir. So in about 6 minutes, as long as we close above, we're good to go. If we close back into the range, fake out. Dude, I can't believe I over leveraged like that. That's a little scary. The only reason why I wanted to over leverage was because I was hitting at I was at like 3.8, 3.5, right? But I was already negative $500 from that 6 pip loss, right? So I was literally like, my equity was at like 3.5, 3.8, and then I was like, man, like all I need to do, bro, is just stay, like, all I need is like $500 more. So boom, right when I hit drawdown, I went in for another trade, and then another pip went down, so I went in for another trade, and then I kept going down. So I'm like, holy fuck, like, how many trades am I gonna have to open? So for every pip I was going down, I was leveraging again and again and again. I was like, holy shit, like, this is kind of scaring me, you know what I mean? I was like, any lower than this candle and I'm fucked. I was all the way down here, right over here. So from all the way up here, every pip I was down, I was going in another position, and I was like, holy shit, are we just gonna fucking not go up? And then thank God this one gave me like a strong ass candle, and boom, closed out my shit. So yeah, never again will I do that. The only reason why I did that was to hit my 2-day goal of passing the challenge. I did not want to wait 3 days to pass the challenge. I want my account now.
He needs to get an account now. He needs to get paid.
I need to get that money, because as soon as I pass the challenge, my payday is right there. Boom and bop. You know, that's what I wish that they would have. I just wish that they would have like weekly payouts rather than bi-weekly, because like, man, like, my days go by so long. I know that we're supposed to be patient in Forex, and you know, they do say that, you know, because people do complain about that, and they'll be like, you know, with Forex you're supposed to be patient, so you guys need to be patient with your guys' payouts, this and that. But it's like, man, like,
you don't gotta be patient getting paid, bro. You just gotta be patient taking the trade.
Yeah. It's like, man, I'd rather get fucking paid the same day or something.
I'd rather withdraw the same day.
Yeah. But I get where they're coming from, you know. Anyone can win like $10,000 in one day and then, you know what I mean, pull out and fuck them over, you know what I mean? So they want to give you that extra time to fuck up and just lose all your profits, you know what I mean?
They're like, all right, we're gonna give this guy a week. If he don't make it, we keep it $600. If he does, then fuck, we gotta pay this motherfucker off.
Dude, as long as I get this funded account, I'm only risking 1%, and then every $1,000 I make, I'm closing out full.
Yeah, dude, fuck, man. Keep it easy, keep it simple. There's no point, you know, as long as you're making money. That's what I say. As long as you're making money, everything else doesn't really matter.
Yeah. I'm glad this happened, because, you know, shit, I was at a point where I was about to go back to a day job.
What were you gonna do?
Fucking, I don't know, apply somewhere.
Bro, like, what were you thinking about doing? Like,
well,
you didn't even have that thought. You're like, fuck that.
Yeah, I didn't even have that thought, really. So there's the labor union, right? I could join the labor union.
Okay.
And also, like, there was like these security jobs or whatever that was giving you like hella hours, but it was just like, you know what I mean, why am I gonna do all these hours when I could work 1 hour and 30 minutes a day? So it's like, this right here just secured like my way, you know what I mean, just secured it. So about 1 more minute, if we close back into the range, I'm gonna go ahead, hop off.
Yeah, looks like GJ don't want to give shit today.
Oh no, we're looking good. I think he'll give something.
I wanted to close bullish though. Let's see.
Bullish? I wanted it to close bearish above.
Why bearish?
Because
you want to take the short?
No, because that means that we're creating support above the resistance to continue heading up into, like, you know how we did it on the simulated sessions? That's what I'm looking for. Yep. I'm looking for at least above here, like right here. It needs to stay above right here. If it doesn't, then no trade for the day. Go ahead, close out your guys' computers, but it looks like it is. So as long as we stay above, we're good to go. Other than that, we're not good to go. So about 40 seconds until we we say, hey, no more trade. So I mean, at any point we could wick down to this wick, we could wick down to this wick, or we could wick down to this wick to continue up. But I feel that's super invalid. I don't think that will be happening anytime soon. I mean, we did fail to create a new low on the 61.8. So yeah. So the reason why I like Fibonacci is because Fibonacci is literally where you would mark your support and resistance, right? Right here, right here, right here. It just gives you a place of where you're at. You know what I mean? Like, it's not even an indicator like how like you know like the pitchforks or like all of these, like the fib channels, or like the fucking Elliott wave patterns or whatever. Fibonacci is basically full price action. There's no hidden shit behind it. It's literally full price action. So if we break this low, I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day. Yeah, I think we might have to. Yeah. Alright, guys. Let's see what he wants to do. If we reject it, here, this is how I'll help you guys find rejections. I'll show you if this is a rejection or not. See how we hit our line and we're starting to make a wick? So if it does reject over here, I'll call it out for you guys. Okay, right, creating a wick below, rejection. That is literally how you call a rejection, right there. And then to furthermore go lower. If we go lower, like, you know what I mean? This really isn't a time of volume. We're already 30 minutes past New York session. The next best volume area is around 6:30. But the only way for this trade to be valid is to wait another fucking 30 minutes to close back over here. You know what I mean? So at this point, I think that I'm gonna just call it a day. You know what I mean? But that's what I want you guys to look for. If we don't break this wick right over here, you want to wait for that 30 minute to go back up. You know what I mean? If Joseph wants to wait till NYSE, I'll wait with him. But if not, I'll probably just call it a day.
Yeah, I'm thinking about it the same. It doesn't look like GJ wants to go. I mean, it could, but it just looks like it just doesn't want to.
Yeah, it already closed back into a certain range, so it's like, you know what I mean? Oh, wait, no.
Yeah.
Not really. Closed above an area, but I mean, you really want it to pass this area right here. Let me see, from right here. So you need to wait for a closure above here on the 30, and you know what? We're already ranging on the 15 minute, so let's go ahead, call it a day. Yeah, we're ranging. There's no point, no trade.
Yeah.
All right, guys. We'll see you guys tomorrow. We're gonna go ahead, call it a day. Like I said,
Yeah.
you know, free Telegram groups. On Friday we have a guest or whatnot. Thank you guys for joining. I passed my challenge in 2 days, and I'm glad that you guys were here to witness it. So thank you guys so much. But yeah, say your goodbyes, Joseph.
Alrighty, players. We'll see you tomorrow morning, same time. Make some money. Hopefully GJ decides to make some big moves so we can make some decent money. But
hell yeah,
20 pips is something, bro. Let's get it.
Thanks, guys.
See everybody tomorrow.
Laters.